My name is Karen. I am an administrative assistant. I give MediaShout a 5 rating. For more information, click below. When I came to work at this church, there was no media program at all. But I had seen the program MediaShout being used in another small church. And I thought, well, maybe this would be something that would make the church run more smoothly on a Sunday morning. So we started looking at programs, MediaShout and others as well. When we started looking for programs, I had heard of MediaShout and I had heard of ProPresenter. So I went online and I started to do some research. One of the things I love best about MediaShout, and one of the reasons we made that decision to go that direction, is because it gave us a 30-day free trial. And during that 30-day free trial period, I was able to learn how to use the program. Um, and also, I had live phone support and lots of tutorials and things to teach me about it. When I went and looked at the other program, it didn't have any kind of a free trial. And I wasn't sure about what the support would look like because it really didn't tell you much about it on the website. So we went with MediaShout. MediaShout at first was incredibly intimidating to me. Now I'm pretty tech savvy, but I had never used any kind of a program like MediaShout before. But it was not hard at all. And I got the basic tutorial and I printed it out and I used it as a guide. And within a week, I felt fairly comfortable. Within the end of the first month, I was very comfortable using the program. Now, I'm a lover of MediaShout, you can tell. I use the program every week, and at first it took me a couple of hours to put together the Sunday service, but now I put everything together, including the announcements before church and everything, in like an hour. It's maybe even less. It's a real simple program once you get used to it. So here's what I suggest. Go to the MediaShout website, download that free 30-day trial and see what it can do for you. I think you'll be amazed, even if you've never done anything like this before. We trained an 88-year-old man to be the guy who runs it in the church, and he and I work together all the time with it.